Friday, March 22nd, 2024. Hello and welcome to today's latest tropical update. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the latest of now tropical cyclone Neville, which is currently making large swells across the Indian Ocean. Tropical Cyclone Neville has been putting on quite a show. It actually reached Category 4 intensity yesterday at 115 knots. That's about 130 miles an hour. A Category 4 on the Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale. However, it has weakened since then and is now only a Category 1 with about 90 to 100 miles per hour sustained winds. It continues to preserve a well-defined eye, and this is currently what we're looking at. Currently has winds of about 90 to 100 miles an hour, high in Category 1 to a low in Category 2. It is currently moving southwestward at about 10 to 15 miles an hour. Currently that air pressure has continued to rise throughout the morning and into the afternoon. The air pressure currently stands right now at about 968 millibars. So currently it's a relatively small wind field. Here, let's take a look at it from a farther distance, so we can kind of take a better look at this. And no, not that. Nope, not that either. There we go. So here it is. Again, it is a relatively small system in comparison to most tropical cyclones. Mainly concentrated on the northwestern side with a radius of around 60 nautical miles. However, fortunately, there are currently no watches or warnings in effect for any land areas over the next 5 days because of this tropical cyclone being out to sea. However, despite the minimal threat to risks and threats to land, Neville continues to pose risks, particularly in the form of rip currents. Right, residents and visitors and citizens in the westward portions of Australia need to exercise caution and pay close attention to local weather advisories regarding this system. So let's talk a little bit about the forecast. Alright, so here is their forecast. This is from the Joint Typhoon Warning Center. As you can see, it continues to weaken as it moves farther and farther away from Australia, eventually dissipating there by the 25th at 12 Z. This is again the latest forecast from the Joint Typhoon Warning Center. It's going to wobble a little bit, but overall it's going to continue moving west southwestward and weaken throughout over time. Now the model projections, there's still some uncertainty, but model wise, a majority of all models continue to have this storm weakening. It has already reached its peak yesterday at 115 knots. That's 130 miles an hour. Sea surface temperatures will continue to cool, and the atmospheric conditions are continuing to play against Neville's fate. Currently, there's a lot of dry intrusions, and cooler waters are currently hindering its development as it continues to slowly fall apart and dissipate. So going back and taking a look here at satellite imagery. So currently it has a very well-defined core, and currently organization is pretty impressive. Maybe a bit of wind shear in from the north, but overall it has very well organization. It has a very well structure. Overall it structures well, and it still maintains a well-defined eye in the center with steep convection around that eye. However, it is crucial to monitor any changes closely, and we will be looking at it from its perspective. So, as it continues to move southwestward, we don't expect any major changes to happen. If anything, it's going to just continue to weaken and weaken and weaken. The only thing that may really change is it may weaken even faster than expected as it continues to move into those cooler waters and unfavorable atmospheric conditions. And really, that's going to be up for the update for Tropical Cyclone Neville. Now, stay tuned for further developments, and remember to stay informed. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video update. And if you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more updates in tropical weather and other exciting tropics. Take care and see you soon. And one last thing, folks, if you found this video interesting and helpful, don't forget we do have links in the description of our Patreon, and Discord is in the description below. If you want to be part of the Hurricane Watch thing, feel free to join. DM myself there, and we will reach out to you and help you out if you are interested in joining. That's going to be it today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. As always, stay safe out there, and peace out.